We are glad to announce the launch of iSIF Equity X Top 100 Long Short Fund. In this fund, more than 65% of the fund has to be invested in stocks beyond the top 100, and the balance can be invested either in the top 100 stocks or in debt. We have the flexibility as fund managers to hedge the portfolio or not hedge the portfolio. At ICICI Prudential AMC, we have a research team in which we research more than 550 stocks. We also have an investment of more than 1.5 lakh crores in small and mid caps. Consequently, we have research expertise in small and mid caps. As most of you know, the entire X Top 100, which is the small and mid cap universe, is a universe which actually delivers good long-term returns, but at the same time is very volatile. What this fund aims to do is actually to give the opportunity to deliver long-term returns, but at the same time gives the fund manager the flexibility to hedge the portfolio as and when they think they should hedge the portfolio. So in years like 2024, when we as a house felt that the market was overvalued in small and mid cap, we could have hedged the portfolio, and consequently it is possible that the returns in such a fund would be lower than the returns of the small and mid cap index. But in years like 2025, when the markets fell in small and mid cap, this fund gives the fund manager the choice to be hedged, and therefore it is quite possible that the return experience could be much better than what happened to the small and mid cap index in the year 2025. So what this means is, this is a fund where the investor who has the ability to invest 10 lakh rupees can invest in lump sum basis and leave it to the fund manager to be invested for the long term and hope that they can get a very good risk-adjusted experience. If we get the market call right and we use the right techniques, we think that this kind of a experience is possible with a product like the iSIF Equity X Top 100 Long Short Fund. We think the right kind of investor in this fund is a long-term investor in small and mid caps, and an investor who's looking for a good risk-adjusted experience, and not a person who believes that each year the small and mid caps will deliver huge returns, because for them it is much better to actually invest in a standalone small and mid cap fund. However, at ICICI Prudential AMC, as you well know, we are believers in asset allocation, we are believers in volatile market, and hence the specialized investment fund vehicle which SEBI started gave us the opportunity to launch such a category, which we believe is interesting for long-term investors. Look forward. Thank you.
Investments in specialized investment fund involves relatively higher risk, including potential loss of capital, liquidity risk, and market volatility. Please read all investment strategy related documents carefully before making the investment decision.